Hi.
Hey.
What's up? Hey, losers. Hi, Luis. How are ya?
Oh, yeah.
How you doing?
Shut up.
Shout out to my cousin Luis. So you're the only one that watches these? Love you, bro.
So, did you tell him about your trip in New York?
No.
Well, tell him.
Well, so I went to New York. A lot of fun.
It was more expensive.
That's it. That's all there is to it. I went to New York, I came back. I think I told them that in the last video.
It ended too soon? Your trip, I mean.
Oh. Yeah.
What do you think I was talking about?
I don't know. But I did do my brows off camera because I take forever with my eyebrows, but I fill them in fairly quickly. Barely quickly. So right now I'm just
Fairly quickly?
Yeah, that's what I was.
You said barely.
Oh, fairly quickly.
Barely quickly, so she took a long time.
So right now I'm just going to conceal the bottom, and then what are we getting ready for?
I'm
getting ready to go to work.
And I'm getting ready to go to Chili's.
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
Yeah, so let's tell them about the time. Okay, so you're in New York, and it's crazy. Without like I felt so lonely. Like it was weird. Like I felt like lost. Like
Okay, so I had gone to New York, right?
Oh yeah, sorry.
And then shit happened while I was gone.
I was going through some.
She was going through it.
I was going through it. I was really going through it. So she was gone, and I was just like really going through it, and I wanted to do something like impulsive, like rebellious. Like it was either I was gonna get a tattoo, I was gonna bleach more of my hair and dye it more, or I was gonna get a piercing. I wanted a piercing more than, like I wanted to dye my hair. So I was like, you know what? I don't care. Like let's go to the Swami, because that's where we get it. That's where it's cheap. At the Swami, my mom's like, I don't want, like she was dropping us off, like me, my best friend, and Adrian. And she was dropping us off, and she looked at me, she was like, don't get a nose piercing. And I was like, I was like, and she was like, I swear to God, Alejandra. Because I didn't want to tell her, like, no, I'm not going to get one, because I was going to get one. She's like, if you get one, Alejandra, you're not coming in the house. And I was like, I just stayed quiet, and I was like, okay, bye, Mom. She was like, don't get one. I was like, okay, bye. And I never confirmed or never, like, said, like, yes, no. I just said, okay, bye. So I was like, you know what? If I show up with this nose piercing, because I wanted a jewel, like originally, like a little jewel right here. I was like, if I show up with this piercing, my mom's not going to let me come in the house. And I don't think I'm ready to be homeless. So I was like, I need to get something that I can hide. So my friend had wanted to get a septum. Carla, shout out to Carla. She was like, oh, I really want a septum. And I was like, that's a good piercing because you can hide it. And I was like, okay, I think I'm going to get a septum. But both Carla and my brother, like my best friend Carla and my brother were like, nah, don't. They don't do it, Alejandra. Because they knew I was acting impulsively, and they knew I was doing stupid shit for stupid reasons, and I was just trying to be reckless. But no one could have said anything that would have changed my mind at that moment. I was so set on getting this piercing.
I could have changed
you
my mind.
You could have, for sure. You
could
have. But you weren't there, so...
No.
So I was looking for a tattoo shop where they do them, and I couldn't find one. So we were there for like 20 minutes just walking around trying to look for a tattoo shop. I was like, oh, hey, you guys, I see you guys are a tattoo shop. You guys do tattoos and piercings. Like, so then I sit down, and usually with the septum, like, it's very, like, there's a lot of technicalities that go into it, Mm-hmm. Like, you need to have, like, the little tongs, and then, like, the correct needle. But this dude, like, he just puts, like, these two, like, what is it? The two Q-tips just to hold my nose. And, like, he just grabs this needle, and he just, shoves it in there. Like, at first he goes this way, then he goes this way. Like, it was just a mess. Like, while he was doing it, I was like, what the fuck did I get myself into? But then I was like, fuck it, like that. I did not care. And so he was putting it in, and like it was hurting me so bad. And then like he put the little ball in, and like it was in, and I was all happy, and I was like, oh, crying, and I was like, yeah, I got a piercing. But then we went to go grab something to eat there at the Swami, and as like when I was sitting down, my best friend, she was like, dude, it's like kind of crooked. And I was like, what do you mean? It was just crooked, like, and it wasn't straight, like it was slightly off to the like diagonal. Like instead of being like a cute little hoop that goes straight in my nose, it was like a hoop came in this way and then comes out that way. It was crooked. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. So it was crooked, basically. It was a botched as fuck piercing, but I was like, no, it's fine. Like, I'll straighten it right now, or me trying to convince myself that it was fine, but it wasn't. So then my friends were like, okay, so I had this piercing hanging out of my nose. I had to figure out, like, right then when I got it, I had to figure out how I was going to hide it, like how I was supposed to tuck it in. So I couldn't do that because it hurt me so bad. But I was like, it's gonna hurt me more when I come home and my mom doesn't let me come in the house, you know? So I was like, fuck it, just suck it up and like push. I had to push the piercing like upwards and hide it. And it hurt a lot because I couldn't even do it. I didn't do it. My brother did it for me because I wasn't able to do it because it hurt me so bad. He had to just like shove it up for me. But oh yeah, so then I came home. My mom didn't find out about it. She didn't, you know, say nothing. And I had it, I think, for like a month, right?
Not even. You got it done the 23rd, which was the Sunday.
And then, so I didn't even have it for a month. I had it for a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
I had it for a couple of weeks,
Like
and I was hiding it.
most.
Yeah, I was hiding it. When I go to school, I take it out. When I come home, I put it in.
So stupid and pointless and unnecessary.
Yeah. So then one day, like I was, you know, I had that, like I was doing that for like 3 weeks straight, like every day, like tucking it in, taking it out, tucking it in, taking it out. And then, so then I went out to eat with her and like one of our friends, and we were just eating, and like I had taken it out because I like, you know.
Just keep talking. I won't be in the background.
Okay, and then I took it out, and we were like so deep into our conversation, like on the drive back home, because that's when I usually would tuck it in because I was coming home. But then I forgot to tuck it in. Like I just had it hanging out, and both my friend and my sister were like, they didn't tell me anything as I was walking in, or like I was walking like into my driveway, that my piercing was still like hanging out. So like I came in, I was like, oh hey mom, like, you know, because, you know, Hispanic moms, you gotta come in and settle that, and, you know, be all formal and shit. So then I did that, and then I came and I gave her a little kiss, and then she was like, what the fuck do you have on your nose? And I was like, what are you talking about? And I felt my nose, and I was like, fuck. Okay. Oh yeah, so basically it was stupid that I had got that piercing, and I deserved getting yelled at. So I ended up taking it out, and yeah.
Yay! I'm trying to think of a time I got caught, but just me. Oh.
It's never just you, though.
It is just me sometimes.
Okay.
I didn't.
Oh! Do you really want to talk about that?
About what?
What are you talking about?
I was going to talk about, the time I came home.
Okay, yeah, that's what I was talking about.
But not that time with all my friends. A different time.
We've been caught so many times. Guess what's up? Oh, thank you. Dude, I could have totally gone clubbing today. Oh, woohoo! I like that they opened it.
That's funny.
Damn, dude, I'm so oily. Oil queen.
I have many stories about all my mishaps. I got lash extensions. I also told you guys in the last video, but I hate them.
Yeah,
they're not for me.
I hate
They're
them
for somebody like my sister.
I hate them
like
for
just
you.
like a mascara and chapstick wearing bitch.
Yeah, like
no tea, no shade, just sucks. Anyway, I don't like them. I can't put on like eyeshadow too intensely. I can't do eyeliner.
I feel like that's the case with most of people that get lash extensions. Are like, I can't. Like
I just. And like they're like, it's like a classic set, so you can't even see them like that much. They're just kind of just like,
do you have a spoolie?
Right?
Is this a spoolie?
That's a spoolie.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm not the biggest fan, but they are nice. But I don't want them off my eyes.
You know what we should do for Halloween?
What?
Like the day of Halloween.
Hit us up with plans, please.
No, the day of Halloween is a weekday.
Yeah.
So we should go to that one hike that's haunted. The Black Star Canyon.
Which one's that one?
It's haunted. It's in Orange. I don't know. I'm pretty sure that's the one that they say it's haunted. It's the Black Star Canyon. We should go with like a bunch of our friends, so it won't be that scary. I'm more like, I'd be more comfortable if like a bunch of us went, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So we should do that.
We saw Hellfest.
I truly believe that
it's a really good movie.
There's crazy people who see that and they're like, oh, I'm gonna do that.
It's a good Halloween movie. It's very good, like slasher, very.
Yeah, but if you're going to like, if you're gonna go to like a Universal Studio,
exactly, that's why you should watch it before
you go. No, you
It
shouldn't.
hypes you up. It's just like,
no, you get.
No,
paranoid.
I get so excited.
For me, I get paranoid.
Like ever since I saw the movie, I was like, I gotta go.
That is true.
It's great.
And ever since I've seen that movie, I'm like, I'm gonna die.
Yeah. So how's your spoopy season going?
Yeah.
Ours is pretty lame.
Speak for yourself, girl.
Mine is pretty lame. All I've been doing is working all weekend, every weekend. It sucks. I'm not gonna do any foundation, but I am gonna powder my face. So
I'm gonna do shadow.
Bron. She's gonna do shadow.
Nah, I need to go.
Who is she? You have to go. Oh, I don't want to drive you.
No, we can go in a little bit. But I'm gonna take forever to do shadow. Should I at least just
do you really? Use like one shade.
Okay, give me the soft glam then.
No,
I'm inspired.
I'm busy.
Okay, can I just go through here?
Okay, so yeah. Ale. Okay, so to set my face, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade medium, I think. Pásale.
Thank you.
And just powder my face.
Okay.
I don't know if you're supposed to do this, but I don't care. So.
To set my face, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the. This is not a tutorial, but since I'm gonna use this one. This is the Fenty Beauty Invisimatte Blotting Powder, Universal, in shade Universal. Did I do it?
What a beauty guru.
But since I just concealed, I'm just gonna get a little bit. Since it's translucent, it's nothing too heavy. It's just like
Same with this one.
oh, it's translucent. No, it's not, bitch. It's okay. It'll go away. It's okay if like you kind of mess up and like now you look like Casper the Ghost because it's spooky season. So
What are you guys? Okay, give me ideas to what to be for Halloween, please, because I have no idea what I want to do.
I have this big ass mirror.
Please help your girl out because I'm struggling. Because honestly, I hate putting on lashes. Lashes are the worst. They're beautiful. I love them, but I dread putting them on. Like I wait till the last minute to put them on because I hate them so much. So I'm gonna go in with bronzer now. Well, I was in New York, you know. I bought the. It's upside down. The Marc. I'm sorry. The Marc Jacobs. Please focus. Please focus on me.
Focus on me. Focus on me.
I'm putting it all close to you guys. Look at it. I spent money on this shit. I just dropped an
She a
eyeshadow.
mess.
So yeah, so we're gonna go in with that. The Tantastic bronzer, Marc Jacob bronzer, and just bronze up this face of ours with a Ulta powder brush.
With the lashes, it'll look good. You see it like that? That's what you do. So now that you're done,
You just gotta wait till you get the full look. Okay, we're done bronzering.
bronzering. So now I'm just gonna
you say it like if I'm saying it wrong. Am I not saying it right?
no bronzing.
Oh, is that right?
Bronzing the face. Yes. You said bronzering.
And then bronzering the face. Okay.
You actually thought that was right?
Bronzing.
Dumb. Just kidding.
bronzing does.
So now I'm gonna put these lashes. These are the style 113 Black Wispies by Ardell. You already know who she is. What she be like.
Okay.
She
So
really
for
is.
blush.
Where's the eyelash glue? Is it in here?
So for blush, I'm using this one by Pixie. Pixie by Petra. Pixie by Petra in the shade.
Here's
Beach
the blue
Rose.
one. Out. Oh.
Beach Rose. Okay.
Beach Rose, guys.
Beach Rose. It's very pretty.
This one's Flash Track. This is the one I was looking for
I
to
don't know why I
line.
just smelled that.
To line my liner. To line my liner.
Okay, so yeah, we're just taking that on a brush that looks like this. It's kind of angled. I don't know if you can see that. Whatever. And tap.
Andrea,
No.
where's my
eyelash glue?
Yo, you don't know where it is, huh?
Bitch. I don't know. I haven't put on lashes in a while.
Okay.
And we'll just, put blush on your face. That's it.
You're running, please.
Okay, so done with blush. Done with blush. I have no idea what I just said before that. And, yo, we bought all these new containers for our makeup. She bought all these containers for our makeup. And I'll show you guys right now. Let me just do my mascara.
She did.
Think she did? Nothing.
Okay, where's the person you used to use this?
I put it away because I'm the responsible
This
person.
one?
Yeah. No, that wasn't the person.
This one?
I used.
This one?
No.
This one?
No. Yeah.
This one?
No.
This one?
Yep.
Okay. Is that good? Is that good? Blushing? Dude, I can go ham with this blush, but you gotta just
I go ham.
Self-control, please, ladies.
I don't know her.
Oh, yeah. I have self-control in some scenarios and in some other scenarios I really don't. I really just be wilding.
Do I want to put on highlight?
Yes, get her, grab her. And then grab the all-nighter spray.
Okay. What highlight do you want?
Do you have multiple highlights?
Yes. I got this one
I got
from Anastasia.
I got
And then I got the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. I love Anastasia. I have all of her palettes and all of... Well, just kidding. I have all of her... most of her eyeshadow palettes and then... one of her kits. Because...
There's so
you don't
many.
need so many. Yeah, I don't think you need so many highlights, you know?
You just gotta get that one good one.
So I'm putting that on with my finger. Oh, by the way. I took the shade Butterscotch from the Sugar Glow Kit. It's like their old holiday. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. Sorry.
No, it's fine. I didn't even notice.
But yeah, so I'm just putting that all over my cheek.
I don't even notice when you hit me anymore. You do it so often.
Oh my gosh, shut up.
So this mascara is so good. I'm gonna buy the real deal. It's like a little sample of the Caution Extreme Lash Mascara by Hourglass.
Hourglass.
Glass.
So, good one.
I know. I'm gonna grab it because I'm gonna go purchase it because it's really good. Okay, so now that I did that,
Other side.
Things I did. That. No, huh? Not applicable.
No. That sister's stupid.
Sister's stupid.
For some reason, I was like, that's not gonna work, but it worked.
Wow. You see, I gotta be able to do that. Okay, me stressing and dropping my lashes because I'm gonna be like. Okay. You know, screw with the highlighter.
I can't get the lipstick. Okay. For lips today, I'm gonna be using the shade
Oh, that's cute. That's a cute
Rise
shade.
Up Rose from like Revlon thingy. I don't know. We gotta have BeautyCon for free, so best believe we taking advantage.
Best believe you're going back to school because we forget how to
Best
speak.
believe I'm taking fucking English 100 and every other English class that they offer at my school because I'm illiterate.
It'd be like that though. Oh my god. This is so hard. I'm trying to pull like an IG baddie, like no tweezers right now.
Pretty. This is my first time using it since we got it at BeautyCon, which was in like
A while back.
August, July, June?
Wait, BeautyCon was in the summer?
I think so. Alright, so I'm done, so I'm just gonna change my shirt.
Dude, how did you finish performing?
Oh my god, see, because I don't have to put on lashes. It's great. I love it. That's like the only reason why I like extensions. Lovers dripping out the window. I don't need love no more. No. Wait.
Oh, let's end the video. Duh.
Yeah. Okay, so real everywhere. It's just everywhere.
What?
Thank you for watching this video.
We're rushing.
I'm sorry, but we'll come back with another one, or I'll come back because it's my channel. Bye.
Bye.
Oh wait.
What?
Before I go, I'll show you guys my room. Because I don't have any music. Done. Hi, mommy. Hi, mommy.
Oh, you're supposed to say hi back.
She's so rude. All right, that is it. That was our little spoopy tour. Those are the lights. Here's our bed, our desk, my desk. Little squishmallows I love. And that's it. This corner behind me is forbidden. And that's our little container. Alright. Bye.